Hey, Kenneth Travis here, your Outside the Box lender. Just wanted to come to you with a quick tip regarding USDA loans. We've had a lot of changes, and guys, I know this stuff isn't exciting to talk about. I know it's not sexy and it's kind of boring, but good information for you to have nonetheless. Two ways to get approved with USDA. There's a GUS Accept, which is an automated approval where we plug in the borrower's information and it gives them an approval. It's that simple. And then there's a manual underwrite, okay? And manual underwrites are required for people, borrowers and clients who have credit scores below a 640. So if we have a borrower or you have a borrower with a credit score below 640, they have to be manually underwritten. So what does that mean to you as the real estate agent? Well, the ratios are limited, okay? You probably don't care about that, but just know that the borrower may not be able to qualify for as much house, okay? Verification of rent. Most of the time, the lenders are requesting, the underwriters are now requesting for 12 months canceled checks, okay? That's going to disqualify a lot of borrowers. Also, we're able to accept verification of rents from third-party companies. If they're a big apartment complex, then sometimes they'll accept those as verification for rent. 2 months bank statements, no exceptions, and longer underwriting times. That's what that means. So you need to probably allow 45 days for your sales contracts for the manual underwrite on USDA. Now, the other way I talked about GUS Accept, what is that? It's GUS. It's just an automated underwriting system. If you've got a 640 score or higher, those USDA loans are going to be a lot easier to underwrite, okay? Ratios can be higher. We've seen them as high as 55%. Faster underwriting times, verification of rent may not be required, okay? So the reason I bring this to you is because we've had a lot of changes. We've seen a lot of delays with USDA. This has been part of the problem because they've just transitioned to some new guidelines with USDA, and the local USDA offices are all at different levels. Some are taking 3 to 5 days to get them out of USDA. Recently here locally, they've taken as long as 20 days. So call your local USDA office if you want to know what the turn times are. Keep your lender, hold him accountable or her accountable. And one more thing I want to share with you is USDA Eligibility Map. Click on the link below. Okay, we get a lot of phone calls with people asking if this property's USDA eligible or not or whatever. So this is a good resource for you to use. Feel free to call us anytime to ask those questions, but click on the link below. Good resource for you to have. Want to know if your property is in the USDA eligibility area. If you know of anybody looking to purchase or refinance a home, certainly give us a call. Information is below. Hope that this tip was helpful and look forward to seeing you soon. Is that good enough?